A weak string trimmer can turn simple yard work into a frustrating weekend project. So please watch this video till the end, because today I'm counting down the top 5 best electric string trimmers. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which model is the best overall choice for trimming power, comfort, and value in 2026. I'll cover the cutting performance, battery system, and biggest advantages of each model to help you choose the right one. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max. Starting off the list is the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max cordless string trimmer and edger. This lightweight 12-inch weed eater features a 2-speed control, cordless operation, and an easy conversion between trimming and edging modes. It also includes 2 batteries, a charger, and an extra spool right in the box. Review highlights. This trimmer is ideal for homeowners with small to medium-sized yards who want something simple, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for longer periods, especially for quick trimming jobs around sidewalks and flower beds. The included extra battery is also helpful for extending runtime during yard work. Pros: lightweight and easy to handle. Includes 2 batteries. Simple edging conversion. Great for small and medium yards. Number 4. Greenworks 80V. The Greenworks 80V 16-inch brushless cordless string trimmer delivers more cutting power for tougher grass and thicker weeds. It features a brushless motor, variable speed trigger, dual-line feed system, and lightweight cordless design. It also includes a rapid charger and a 4-year warranty. Review highlights. This trimmer performs especially well for users who need stronger cutting performance without moving to a gas-powered tool. The 80V battery platform provides excellent power and runtime, while the variable speed trigger gives better control around delicate landscaping areas. Its brushless motor also improves efficiency and durability over time. Pros: powerful 80V battery platform, brushless motor efficiency, lightweight but strong performance, variable speed control. Number 3. Ego Power 56V. Coming in at number 3 is the Ego Power Plus string trimmer with POWERLOAD technology. This battery-powered string trimmer features a 15-inch cutting swath, telescopic aluminum shaft, and automatic POWERLOAD line replacement system. It also includes a 56V battery and charger. Review highlights. The POWERLOAD feature makes restringing dramatically easier compared to traditional string trimmers. Instead of manually winding line, the system automatically loads the trimmer line with the push of a button. The cutting performance is also excellent for thicker grass, heavy weeds, and larger residential lawns. Pros: convenient POWERLOAD system, strong cutting performance, adjustable telescopic shaft, premium Ego battery platform. Number 2. Ego Power Plus ST1502SA. The Ego Power Plus ST1502SA is another high-performance cordless string trimmer designed for serious lawn maintenance. It features a 15-inch cutting width, rapid reload head system, split shaft design, and a powerful 56V battery platform. The split shaft also allows compatibility with additional Ego attachments. Review highlights. This trimmer balances strong power with excellent versatility. The rapid reload system simplifies line replacement, while the split shaft design gives users more flexibility for expanding their lawn tool collection. It also feels balanced and comfortable during longer trimming sessions. Pros: strong 56V cutting performance, rapid line reload system, expandable attachment capability, comfortable balanced design. Number 1. WORX Cordless String Trimmer. Taking the top spot is the WORX Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger WORX WG163. This 20V cordless trimmer features a lightweight 5.5-pound design, command feed spool system, instant trimmer to edger conversion, and includes 2 batteries with a charger. It's designed for easy everyday lawn maintenance and user-friendly operation. Review highlights. What makes this trimmer stand out is its combination of lightweight comfort, ease of use, and overall versatility. The instant conversion between trimming and edging makes lawn care faster and more convenient, especially for homeowners maintaining sidewalks, driveways, and flower beds. The lightweight build also reduces arm fatigue during extended use. Pros: extremely lightweight design, easy trimmer-to-edger conversion, includes 2 batteries, user-friendly operation. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing cutting performance, ease of use, comfort, battery system, and overall value, the WORX cordless string trimmer and lawn edger WG163 is the best overall electric string trimmer on this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.